back on the road. Kikitain namin yung De Los Santos family sa Port Wakefield. Tapos pupunta kami sa Kingston National Park. Medyo maulan. Hindi pala maulan, umaambon. Medyo umaambon.
Hi B! You okay there?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah, I am.
Dito na kami sa rendezvous place. We're gonna meet up with the De Los Santos family.
Kaya muna, para ano? Dami namin dalang pagkain.
Gano'n. Mga pag-noipi talaga kahit saan, nagpipiknik. Oh. Popo. This is Rabaw. Kaya.
Pa-party, no? Takpan kaya natin.
So scared? Yeah.
Takpan mo.
They come here.
Punta na kami sa first destination namin. Sa Cape Spencer Lookout.
For a limited time only, receive reductions equal to the amount of GST.
Hi Candice.
So big?
Yes.
So nice the pattern.
Yeah, this one already.
Yeah, I can see it too. Wait, where are the food for the stingray?
I remember this place.
Sige! Oh! Dito, baba tayo. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Dito.
Okay, let's look for another one.
Will be the next 3 hours.
Oh, are we like going to different areas?
Oh,
Like it's parang island hop.
oh, ano? Parang island hopping. Parang island hopping. Kasi there's no island really.
I don't get it. It's such a bad joke. Come on.
Ingat daw. Oh!
Can I look for another one?
Ha?
Tama dun, no? 40 pa rin ba yan dyan? Hindi na.
Lahat yan.
40 lang?
Get out, it's my turn. No! Will punish me. No!
Stones.
Andre! Ikaw, Andre, you.
I can do it. I know. This one.
Talo kayo ni Candice, oh.
I'm timing it up.
Buti nakatsyempo kami ng bakante. At least nasa lilim. Ito naman ang view namin.
Oh my god.
Where are your rocks? Where do you put them? You hide it. Where go? Oh, why? Mali. Soon. Let's eat first. Then go to another. Oh, yan. Diyan ko dyan para hindi para malamig. Bless you.
Hey, I like to put the share.
I don't want to eat rice. I want to eat the
Let's go. I want to eat rice. You want to take the whole rice? Yeah, I'm actually getting the whole rice. The fun. I don't need so much. Papa. I don't like it. No, painful.
Oh yes, egg and fried rice, the best
Can I
combo.
get my fried rice? Fried rice.
I'm gonna carve something in it.
Audrey, bakit ito want fried rice?
Actually, oh yes, please. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Mama, what's my food?
Chelsea, I'll use this.
I want fish balls.
Or you can put it in the cup if you like.
I want that. I want the egg. That's the best. Oh. There's not a lot of it.
You know how to eat already, right? I chicken. Why you never cook like that? No, I don't know how.
Sama is chicken at chicken.
Ano daw yung hello?
Hello? I don't know what's the hello. I think it's okay.
Hindi po.
May tatay ko.
Oh, at least
candies lagi. Minamin naman naman.
I'm gonna do it as far as I can. Try to go max power.
Oh, what? Bro is unfazed.
This is the real definition of a goal.
Bro actually
Oh.
West Cafe 3-in-1.
Ay na talaga. Manang-mana ka talaga kay Kalolot.
actually walk around in circles.
Oh my god, there's a lot of them. Shell Beach. Ito na ang last destination namin for today. Kasi may dalawa kaming extra pinuntahan kanina, which is Point Turton and Magazine Cave. Dapat di kasama yun eh, kaya lang since malapit na. Tsaka wala rin naman makita sa Pondalowi. So yeah, sana matuwa uli yung mga bata. At ang De Los Santos family. Dati na nagpunta kami rito, wala pang toilet. Ngayon naglagay na sila. Buti naman.
No. You are my sunshine.
My only sunshine.
Boston Disillusion.
Hey, come on. You
Make me happy when the skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you.
I'm gonna share people.
From there,